In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Whether you're a frequent user or just getting started, trying to access Meta AI on WhatsApp and finding it missing can be a frustrating experience. But don't worry, as we go through this quick tutorial, you'll find it's often very easy to resolve. First things first, let's make sure you're working with the latest tools. Having the newest version of WhatsApp Desktop or WhatsApp Web is crucial. Regular updates usually include necessary improvements and bug fixes. If you've been putting off updates, now is the time to make sure everything is up to date and functioning optimally. Simply head over to the App Store or WhatsApp's website to check for the newest version and download it if needed. Next, let's focus on your phone. Open WhatsApp on your mobile device and find the Meta AI chat. You might need to initiate a new conversation with it. Doing so sometimes triggers the Meta AI icon to appear on your computer's screen. It's a simple action, but it can be surprisingly effective. If that doesn't help, try restarting WhatsApp on your PC. Close it completely. Don't just minimize it, and then open it again. This can refresh the application, resolving temporary glitches that might be hiding Meta AI from view. Your internet connection might also be the culprit. Check whether your connection is stable. Sometimes, switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or reconnecting your PC to the network can make a big difference. This ensures that there are no connectivity issues hindering WhatsApp's performance. Occasionally, clearing cache or resetting the WhatsApp application on your computer can do the trick. If you're using WhatsApp Web through a browser, consider clearing the cookies specifically for WhatsApp. It's a useful step that often resolves many minor technical issues. Once cleared, log back into your account, and you might discover that Meta AI is visible again. And finally, if none of these solutions work, it might just be because your region doesn't support Meta AI yet. WhatsApp is rolling out this feature progressively, and some areas may not have access to it. In this case, patience is your best option, and it will, in time, become available to you. By following these outlined steps, you should have a much clearer pathway to resolving the issue of Meta AI not appearing on WhatsApp. Sometimes technology can throw us these little hiccups, but with these efficient steps, you'll be on the right track to finding solutions. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Until next time.